Hey, are you new to credit cards and scared of making the wrong choice? Well, stop scrolling right now, because this video is your perfect beginner's guide to choosing the best credit card in 2025. And this is only for USA residents. Only for people who want to build credit smartly, avoid hidden fees, and earn real benefits from day one. Here is what you are going to learn in this video. Which credit cards are best for beginners in 2025? What to look for before applying. Difference between zero annual fee and rewards cards. How to build your credit score fast. And at the end, one special tip that can save you hundreds of dollars. Watch this video till the end, because those who stay with me till the last second, I have a free credit card strategy checklist just for you. Yes, totally free only for you. Let's make sure your first credit card becomes your smartest financial move. So you just started thinking about getting your first credit card and you are probably confused with all the options out there. Which one is right for you? What should you even look for? Relax, I got you. As a beginner, your first credit card should be your stepping stone, not a trap. And here is how you find the perfect one. Number 1. Go for a card with no annual fee. Simple. You should not have to pay just to keep a card in your wallet. You are not here to waste money. You are here to grow your money. Number 2. Make sure the card works for people with low or no credit score. Because if you are new to credit, you need a card that welcomes first-timers, not one that rejects them for being new. Number 3. Your card must report to all 3 credit bureaus. That is how your credit score starts building. No reporting means no score means no progress. Number 4. Look for easy rewards. Not those complicated airline miles or confusing points. Just clean, simple cashback on things you already buy, like groceries,